work is crucial. AI integration in the workplace is a gradual evolution, not a sudden disruption. Robots and automated systems boost efficiency and precision in manufacturing. AI chatbots transform customer service, providing instant, accurate support. The financial sector uses AI for fraud detection, risk assessment, and advice. AI enhances our capabilities, creating a more fulfilling future of work. Increasingly automated, while critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity are in demand. Embrace lifelong learning to thrive in the AI age. Upskilling and reskilling are essential for job market relevance. This essay explores the evolving work landscape in the AI age. The whispers of AI's potential have transformed into a resounding roar, reshaping industries and our working lives. Manufacturing, customer service, and retail are prime examples of AI's undeniable impact. Robots now perform tasks with precision, once requiring entire teams. This shift towards automation meets the demands of a globalized economy. As AI advances, its presence in manufacturing will grow. AI's transformative power is evident in factories producing our modern goods and gadgets. At Amazon fulfillment centers, robots glide through a labyrinthine grid. Tesla's automation has transformed the automotive industry. Robots and humans work together in Tesla's factories. AI systems will play a critical role in future vehicle design and manufacturing. The digital realm, with its endless data streams, is fertile ground for AI's expansion. Customer service has shifted as AI chatbots and virtual assistants take center stage. ChatGPT exemplifies AI's impact, generating human-quality text and revolutionizing customer service. Businesses deploy ChatGPT for customer queries and technical support. In finance, algorithms analyze trends, assess risk, and execute trades with precision. E-commerce has transformed retail with seamless convenience. AI shapes our shopping experiences profoundly. Personalized recommendations and chatbots are now essential. AI-powered self-checkout kiosks ensure accurate scanning. Algorithms analyze data, predict trends, and optimize pricing. The relentless march of technology brings opportunities and displaces professions. AI's rise sees jobs teetering on obsolescence. History shows jobs vanish due to technology. AI will phase out repetitive tasks. This is a chance to reimagine work, valuing human creativity. Businesses seek to automate repetitive tasks for efficiency and accuracy. Data entry, prone to monotony and errors, is a prime target. AI systems process vast data with speed and precision. Intelligent algorithms extract information with high accuracy. The demand for manual data entry is rapidly dwindling. The financial and travel industries are transforming due to online platforms. Bank tellers' roles are marginalized as customers embrace online banking. Travel agents face a crisis as online agencies empower self-planning. Consumers love the convenience and savings of online platforms. Bank tellers and travel agents must adapt by learning new skills. Telemarketing, often viewed with annoyance, has long been a sales staple. Digital marketing and consumer resistance to calls cast a shadow over telemarketing. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are emerging as alternatives for customer inquiries. AI algorithms are becoming sophisticated at analyzing consumer data and predicting behavior. Exploring alternative career paths in sales, marketing, or customer service is crucial.
Thank.
ensuring technology benefits humanity. Section 2. Weaving new realities. The art and science of augmented reality design. Step into the realm of augmented reality where digital and physical worlds intertwine, creating immersive experiences that blur the lines between virtual and real. AR designers blend artistic vision with technical expertise to craft engaging experiences for entertainment, education, healthcare, and beyond. Picture a surgeon, their vision augmented with real-time data, guiding instruments with pinpoint accuracy, or students on virtual field trips exploring the ocean or Mars from their classrooms. These digital artisans combine design with three-dimensional modeling, animation, and user experience principles. They are storytellers and problem solvers, pushing the boundaries of this evolving medium. As AR technology advances, the demand for skilled AR designers will intensify, offering creative potential and professional opportunity. Section 3. Powering a sustainable future. The ascent of green energy engineering. Green energy engineers lead the way in sustainable power solutions. They design, implement, and optimize renewable systems like solar, wind, hydroelectricity, and geothermal energy, ensuring a cleaner future. Section 5. The human touch in an automated world. Skills for a thriving future. As AI reshapes work, human skills like creativity, critical thinking, and adaptability become essential. These skills set individuals apart in an automated world. In an era of rapid technological advancement, STEM stands as pillars of knowledge. AI amplifies STEM's relevance on the cusp of a new frontier. AI is the culmination of decades of research in STEM fields. STEM professionals will be the architects of this new era, ensuring AI is harnessed responsibly for humanity. At the vanguard of the AI revolution stand the AI and machine learning engineers. These digital artisans transform concepts into solutions, changing the world. Imagine an AI system diagnosing diseases with accuracy. Behind this lies the work of AI engineers. They enable machines to see and interpret the world. Their expertise extends beyond healthcare. AI engineers are in high demand across industry. They build self-driving cars and fraud detection systems and create recommendation engines. AI engineers are shaping the future of intelligence. Biomedical engineering leverages technology to tackle medical challenges. AI revolutionizes this field, integrating into devices and diagnostics. Imagine prosthetics responding to thoughts and AI-guided robots in the bloodstream. This is the future of healthcare where AI and biomedical engineering converge. Section 4. Deciphering the data deluge, the indispensable role of data science. In today's world, data is generated at an unprecedented rate. Data scientists transform raw data into actionable intelligence. They are in high demand across industries. Data scientists shape our understanding and guide us towards an informed future. Section 5. Building the future, one algorithm at a time. The rise of robotics engineering. Robots have long captured our imaginations, from Star Wars to the Terminator. Today, robots are transforming industries and augmenting human capabilities. Robotics engineers are building the future, one algorithm at a time. Imagine robots enhancing surgical accuracy and minimizing invasiveness. Envision swarms of robots constructing buildings with speed. These are glimpses into the transformative potential of robotics. Robotics engineers are creating intelligent systems that can perceive, learn, and adapt. They develop robots that navigate complex environments and perform intricate tasks. Robotics engineers will shape the future of work, healthcare, and countless industries. Section 1. The adaptability imperative. Thriving in the age of AI. The relentless march of technological progress demands adaptability. As AI reshapes work and skills, adaptability becomes imperative. Imagine a world where today's job may not exist tomorrow. Adaptability is key to survival, not just in work but in life. Embrace continuous learning and a mindset open to change. In the age of AI, adaptability is a way of life. Section 2. Upskilling for an AI-powered world, embracing continuous learning. Lifelong learning is essential. AI advancements demand continuous upskilling. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer flexible, high-quality courses. Embrace continuous learning to stay relevant. Section 3. The enduring power of soft skills, humanity's edge in the age of automation. As AI automates tasks, human soft skills like creativity, empathy, and communication become invaluable. These skills will set individuals apart, enabling them to thrive in an automated world. Offer learning and networking from home. Section 1. The AI Revolution, a catalyst for human potential. The AI revolution reshapes work, unlocking human potential. It's a catalyst for creativity and innovation. Embrace change to transcend limitations and redefine work. The future of work is shaped by our vision, where technology augments our abilities. Section 2. Embracing the future of work, a call to action. The AI revolution is not a spectator sport, it's something we shape through our actions. The time for action is now. Embrace continuous learning. Online platforms make education accessible. The future belongs to those who adapt. Insights into the future of technology.